In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your database backups in Hostinger hPanel. Whether you need to download a backup for safekeeping or restore your database to a previous state, I'll guide you through each step of the process. Now let's dive in. First, we need to log into Hostinger hPanel. So go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger login page. Enter your account credentials and click the login button. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your web hosting needs. From here, you can access various tools and functionalities to manage your websites more effectively. Next, let's move on to locating your database backups. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll find the menu. Scroll through it until you find the Backups option and click on it. This section is crucial because it houses all your available backups, including website files and, more importantly, your database backups. These backups are essential as they can save you a lot of trouble in case something goes wrong with your website. Once you're in the backups section, you'll see different categories of backups. Focus on the one labeled with your database backups. This area should contain various backup files categorized by date. Take a moment to browse through them. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with the backup structure and format. If you ever need to retrieve old data, knowing what each backup contains can be incredibly helpful. After identifying the backup you need, decide whether you want to download it onto your local machine or restore the data directly on Hostinger. If downloading is your choice, simply click on the relevant backup file and it will automatically start downloading to your default downloads folder. It's always wise to keep a local copy of essential data for added security. Should you choose to restore the backup on Hostinger, find the Restore button adjacent to the backup file. Click on it, and the system will do the rest. Keep in mind that restoring a database will overwrite the current data, so ensure that this is indeed what you intend to do. Now, for those who prefer a more hands-on approach, there's the manual method using PMyAdmin. On Hostinger hPanel, locate PMyAdmin and enter your credentials if prompted. Within PMyAdmin, you have the option to export or import databases. To export, select the database you want from the list on the left, and then choose the Export tab. For importing, click the Import tab and choose the file you wish to upload. This technique provides more control and flexibility, but make sure you're comfortable navigating through PMyAdmin before opting for it. Whether you're downloading, restoring, or manually handling your backups, these processes ensure your database is safely managed and always available. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.